Good day everyone! In today's video, I'll be walking you through this chemistry problem on how to solve it step by step. This question is coming from the Baldabrains High School Division Grand Finals 1994 hard round. 100 grams of sulfuric acid are dissolved in water to produce 5-liter solution. What is the molarity if the molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 90 grams per mole? So basically, may apply nyo yung tanong na yan sa grade 10 nyo, 4th quarter. Okay? So, in order to get this, we are about to take the formula of molarity. Okay, let's take M. Molarity is equal to moles of solute. Pasensya na kung medyo mali at pangit sulat ko. Basta ang mahalaga, naiintindihan din sa camera. Ayan, moles of solute over volume, which is liters, okay? Baka bago lang sa paninig nyo ang moles of solute. That is the number of moles that are dissolved in a solution. Hindi pa clear kung ano talaga ang moles of solute dito sa tanong na to. In order to get this moles of solute, M ulit yun, is equal to the mass over molecular weight. So, balikan natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mass. That is the amount of matter in a given object. While the molecular weight is the fixed number in a compound. Chemical compound, I mean. Okay? So, in order to get this, we're about to substitute. Ito ulit gagamitin natin, not this one. M is equal to the mass. So, the mass, obviously, it's 100 grams. That's kaya nga amount of matter. 100 grams over the molecular weight. So, yung tatandaan na ang molecular weight ay laging may grams per mole. Okay, so it's 98 grams per mole. In order to get this, we are about to divide. All right. So let's take this. Let's take this solution here. 100 divided by 98. So it's basically 1. 1 multiplied by 98 is 1 multiplied by 98 is obviously 98. So let's bring down 98. Bring down 2. Let's put imaginary 0 here. So let's put 0.20. Hindi siya kaya i-divide. So let's put 0 here. Let's put another 0 here. Kaya na siyang i-divide. So 200 divided by 98, it's 2. So the moles of solute is equal to 1.02. So yan, makukuha na natin ang molarity by substituting this. Let's take the molarity. Okay, ibaba natin to para di kayo malito. Ayan. So, molarity is equal, what is the mole of solute? Very good, 1.02 M. 1.02 moles. M is the unit. And the volume. Okay, so based sa question, 5 liters. So, there's no need to convert. Liters talaga ang hinahanap sa pagkuha ng volume. So, let's take 5L. Ayan. Ito gagawin natin. Very good. We're about to divide again. So, let's take another solution. 1.02 M. Yeah, that's correct. 1.02 divided by 5. Okay, paano yan? So, let's put point. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Then, let's bring down 0 kasi there's no naman. Let's bring down 2. Hindi siya kaya i-divide sa 5. So, let's put 0 here. So, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. Ayan. So, let's put 2. Imaginary 0. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, the final answer for the molarity is 0.204 molar. In short, kung ang hinahanap lamang ang first decimal place, 0.2 molar by rounding it off. So I hope you learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.